The Fox and the Wolf. In a jungle there lived Roxy the fox. He was very weak and had did everything which the stronger wolf Jacob had told him to do. One day Jacob was very hungry, and he loudly said, "Roxy, I am very hungry. Quickly, get something to eat or I'll eat you." Roxy got frightened. He answered, "Ah, oh, mighty, please don't get angry. I can take one lamb for you. I know one farmyard which had 2 young lambs." After some time, Roxy came and had carried 1 lamb for Jacob. Jacob ate it all and didn't offer a single bite to Roxy. After finishing the all, Jacob wanted more. This time, he went to get the 2nd lamb by himself. When Jacob reached to get the lamb's mother started to bleat loudly. Actually, the lamb's mother heard and got that the Jacob was coming to eat her lamb. While she started to bleat loudly, the farmer rushed out and beaten Jacob until he ran off. On the next day, Jacob ordered, "Roxy, you go and get some food for me to eat." Roxy answered, "Please don't mind, mighty. This time I will take some pancakes for you." "I know the farmer's wife puts a plate of pancakes in the window to cool." Roxy stole that pancakes for Jacob. But again Jacob wanted more. He himself went for more. He dropped the plate to the ground. Crash! Trash! Ah! People heard him and ran out to catch Jacob. They caught him and beat him off with sticks. He didn't got anything more to eat for his trouble. He was frightened and limped away in pain. Moral of the story: if you take more than you need, you might be caught in a trouble.